Today we're diving into the Stanley Garden BDS 7236 FATMAX Ultimate Garden Knife, a multifunctional tool designed to tackle a variety of gardening tasks with ease. Featuring an offset handle for improved leverage and hand protection, this knife boasts a V-channel weed puller and a tempered steel blade with a serrated edge that effortlessly cuts through sod. The depth gauge ensures precision planting, while the ergonomic TPR grip enhances comfort during prolonged use. The build quality is evident from the alloy steel construction, which promises durability and resilience against tough gardening conditions. The knife's compact dimensions, 3.74 by 2.36 by 11.81 inches, make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces without sacrificing functionality. Whether you're weeding, planting, or cutting, the Stanley Garden Knife delivers consistent performance that in terms of design. The multicolor finish adds a touch of vibrancy to your gardening arsenal, distinguishing it from typical tools. It's clear that Stanley has prioritized both functionality and aesthetics, making this knife a standout choice for garden enthusiasts seeking reliability and efficiency. That if you're looking for the best tool to streamline your gardening tasks, the Stanley Garden Knife is a must-have. Join us as we explore its features and put it to the test in various garden scenarios.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.